All right, so let's look at the next question, guys. See, I mean, they have like IIM Lucknow has a thing for this 0.008, I guess, because we had a like similar question in CAT 2017. At that time, Lucknow had set the paper, and then it was like I also solved the question by say. So it was log of 25 to the base 0.008. So pretty much, yeah, we had something similar, and 0.008 was there. So I think they have something for that 0.008. All right. So let's start solving the question, guys. Right now, we keep the first part as it is. We don't disturb it. So let's write it as log of x to the base root 3 plus, this is your property of common base, right? Log of 25 to the base x, log of 0.008 to the base x. The base is common, right? So we can write this as log of 25 to the base 0.008. The right hand side, I'm keeping it as it is as 16 by 3. All right, guys. So the next step is to understand this 0.008 is nothing but 8 by 1000, right? 8 by 1000, which we can rewrite as 1 by 125. So next step, again, keep this term as it is. Log of x to the base root 3 plus log of 25, I'll first write as 5 square. And this 0.008, I'm writing as 1 by 125. This is equal to 16 by 3 again. Now come to think of it, guys, what is 1 by 125? Basically 1 by 5 cube, right? Now this we have seen in indices, 1 upon a raised to n can be written as a raised to minus n, right? So you can simply write this part now. It will be log of 5 square as it is. The base will be 1 by 125, which is 5 raised to minus 3. Okay. And log of x to the base root 3. This is 16 by 3. Now, this is one property we have seen in log. Okay, if you have the power in the given number, that comes in the numerator. And if you have power in the base, it comes out in the denominator. So log of 5 squared to the base 5 raised to minus 3, it can be rewritten as 2 upon minus 3 into log of 5 to the base 5. And the next term is as it is, log of x to the base root 3, which is equal to 16 by 3. Okay, everything as it is now. Now, what's log of 5 to the base 5, guys? Obviously, it is equal to 1. Log of a to the base a, where a is not equal to 1, is always equal to 1, right? So now this entire equation simplifies to log of x to the base root 3 plus, this will be 2 upon minus 3. I can write this as minus 2 by 3, right? So this plus becomes minus. So I'll write minus 2 by 3 will be equal to 16 by 3. Now take the minus 2 by 3 on the right hand side, guys. You will have log of x to the base root 3 is simply equal to 2 by 3 plus 16 by 3. And 2 by 3 plus 16 by 3 is 18 by 3, guys, which is 6. And that brings me to the last step. Okay, if log of x to the base root 3 is equal to 6, then x is simply equal to root 3 raised to the power 6. Now, guys, root 3 to the power 6 can be found very easily as root 3 square the whole cube. Root 3 square is 3, and guys, 3 cube is 27. So this entire thing, all this, so much, so forth, simply to get the value x is equal to 27. And once we get this, we can answer the question. They're asking us, find the value of log of 3x square to the base 3. Now, if you look at it this way, x is simply 27, which is 3 cube, right? So x square will be what, guys? 3 cube into 3 cube, or 3 cube the whole square. The base here is 3. Whenever numbers are multiplied, the powers get added, right? So we have 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3. The powers get added. You have log of 3 raised to 7 to the base 3. Once again, the 7 will come outside using our property of logarithm. This will be 7 times log of 3 to the base 3. What's log of 3 to the base 3 again? 1. So your final answer is 7 into 1, which is 7. Amazing question, beautiful question. No doubt it's a type in the answer. Now, many people claim that this question is very lengthy. What I suggest, and I've also suggested this in the logarithm chapter, guys, that whenever you solve questions of log, try to visualize things. I mean, if you can visualize, solve mentally, you can directly visualize this as 5 square and 5 raised to minus 3. That directly gives you minus 2 by 3. So that writing part is saved. That's how I solved the question in the exam also. I visualized, imagined this is 5 squared to the base 1 by 125. 5 squared to the base 5 raised to minus 3. That automatically becomes minus 2 by 3. And straight away, I got x is root 3 raised to 6. So this is what I did when I solved the question in the exam. So as I said, if you can visualize, if you can learn to visualize what is happening, it will be very, very easy for you to solve.